Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to connect a domain to Hostinger website builder. First is to access Hostinger account. Log into your Hostinger account and in your control panel, find the website builder or website section and select it. Step 2. Go to settings in the website builder and click on domain settings. If you already have a domain, you can either connect a domain, enter an existing domain, or purchase a new one via Hostinger. If you don't have one, buy a domain. Hostinger allows you to purchase one directly through their platform. Step 3. Point domain to Hostinger name servers. Now, if your domain is registered with another provider, which is not Hostinger, you'll need to point it to Hostinger name servers. Log into your domain registrar account where you bought the domain, find the DNS settings or name server settings for your domain. Replace the existing name servers with Hostinger's name servers, ns1.dns/parking.com or ns2.dns/parking.com. Then save changes. Now step 4. Set the domain in website builder. After the DNS changes are completed, return to Hostinger website builder. In the domain setting area, select your connected domain from the list. Save and confirm that your website is now linked to the domain. Lastly is to test the connection. Open a browser and type in your domain name to check if it properly loads your Hostinger website. And that's basically it.